Hello friends, I am Devendra. I am going to discuss about motion. So let's start about motion. As you know that fish can swim, fish swim, birds fly. So they all moves from place to place. So these also changes position. They all change its position through by movement. And for changing its position they also take some time. So we can define motion as changing of position or place with respect time. In simple words, we can write a definition of motion is that changing of position with time. So then we call it any object or any living things in motion. So motion along a straight line. As you know, we can draw a straight line with having numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If an object move in this line, we can say that, or straight direction, we can say that a motion along a straight line, or we can say it's a linear motion. It is also a kind of motion in which object travel in a straight line. Distance means a path. Distance means a path covered by an object. Let an object is lying on A, then after some times covering of distance, let take distance maybe 10 kilometer, it reached to point B. So we can say that it cover distance 10 kilometer. Okay, its SI unit is meter. So distance, a path covered by an object, is called its distance. Next, displacement. So simple, take repeated example, take 3 position A, another B, C. So an object start its journey from A to reach B, then B to C, then again it's reach initial position at A. So it cover distance 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer. So we can take as distance in kilometer. So we can say it cover distance 12 kilometer. If I am talking about displacement, so if an object move from A, then reach B to C, so its initial position is A and its final position See, so the distance between initial and final position is called displacement. तो हम लिख सकते the shortest distance between initial and final position is called displacement. Its unit also meter. Now we discuss types of motion. So motion is two types, that is uniform and non-uniform. Uniform and non-uniform. So let me define uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, in this motion, equal distance travel in equal interval of time. Equal distance covered in equal interval of time. Interval of time. Let example, one car is moving, it cover distance 2 meter in 1 second, next 2 meter another 1 second, next 2 meter another 1 second, next 2 meter another 4 second. So you can here that see that there is the interval between time is equal, that is 1 second, and interval between distance is 2 meter. So we can say that the motion of car is uniform.